Power. It's a vision. It's the future. It's nature in its most powerful form. To power a sustainable tomorrow. To power today. To power new ways forward for all of us. Free, clean, infinite, and unlimited. It's the power that fires us to innovate and transform. The power that gave birth to quantum technology, perfected with over a decade of research and development, resulting in world record levels of efficiency. Qcells' unique passivation technology is the ultimate of its kind. German engineered, tested in the extreme to outlast the outlastable. Quantum supercharges solar cells to soak up more sun, powering more of us to be more powerful every single day. Solar like you've never experienced. From the #1 solar cell manufacturer in the world. A powerful statement, an amazing future, incredible value, the smartest choice you'll ever make. We all have the power to change, so let's change everything. Qcells, the smart choice.